Hey everyone! This video is going to go over the topic identifying the center and radius to graph a circle given its equation in standard form. So here we have an equation in standard form, and you may ask, wait, that's not a standard form. Isn't standard form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared? Well, yeah, that is standard form. However, this equation, we just have x minus 0 plus y minus 0 squared equals r squared. And what's anything minus 0? Well, it's just anything. So this equation is in standard form, where 25 equals r squared. Okay, so that means r, we take the square root of both sides, r equals 5. So what is our radius? It's 5. What is our center? Well, our center is at HK, and HK here is 0, 0. So where's our center? It's 0, 0. So a circle with center 0, 0 and a radius 5. So in all directions from the center we go out 5. Even over here is 5. That's an approximate amount. Now let's see if I can draw a somewhat decent circle connecting everything. That wasn't too great, but there we go. We identified the center, the radius, and we graphed the circle.